Once you select your listing here, it's instantly ready to display content. But what about filters, the very essence of JetSmartFilters? Well, the process of adding them hasn't changed much, although now you will notice a much faster performance when filtering items created with the same plugin. Let's go ahead and insert a couple of filters. For example, a search filter block to let users search by post title, and a range filter block for filtering by numeric field, like price or year. As usual, each filter block needs to be connected. In the filter settings, select your previously created filter from the list and then choose the provider. In this case, we're picking JetSmartFilters Listing. And remember, if you have multiple listing blocks on the same page and you want a filter to apply only to one of them, give that listing a unique query ID and enter that same ID in your filter settings.
So what's new for filters in version 3.7? Well, first, they now come with their own built-in style manager right inside the block settings panel. The available options differ depending on the filter type, but they let you customize layout, colors, typography, spacing, and more. If you're still using the Jet Style Manager plugin, don't worry, they work together for now, with the block's own settings taking priority. And second, the filters now work seamlessly with our listings. They're part of a single ecosystem thanks to the new listing filter builder. Oh, and the pagination block, being part of the JetSmartFilters, also connects with the new JSF Listing provider and includes the style manager right inside its settings as well. Once again, JetSmartFilters now covers more ground than ever before, from building listings to styling and filtering them all inside one plugin.
Now let's see how filters connect to the new JSF listing across different builders. This is a very important update to JetSmartFilters, and of course we wanted it to be useful not only for block editor users but also for those working with other builders. That's why we made sure it integrates perfectly with both Elementor and Bricks. Let's see that in action. In the Elementor editor, look for the JSF listing widget and drag it onto your page. Then simply select the listing you want to display and voila! All your listings appear with the exact same layout and styling that you defined earlier in the listing builder.
Now, just like before, add your filters and pagination. The process is exactly the same as in previous versions of JetSmartFilters, but this time connect them to the new JSF listing provider. All your listings appear with the exact same layout and styling that you defined earlier in the listing builder, and filters work noticeably faster since they are part of the same plugin thanks to the listing filter builder. The same goes for the Bricks editor. When inserting a JSF listing element, you'll see identical results, same listing selection, same dynamic functionality,